Magnesium. Strong, light, versatile, creep-resistant and sustainable. We use magnesium's unique physical properties to allow us to do extraordinary things. Magnesium is the 8th most abundant element and is found in many forms. Magnesium can be found in natural minerals such as dolomite and magnesite, in the form of magnesium oxide and magnesium carbonate, and is also extracted from salt lakes in the form of magnesium chloride. Magnesium is a global industry, with the largest producers in China, the USA, Israel, Brazil, and most recently Turkey. Magnesium is commonly produced by the pigeon process due to its versatility, low capital cost, and relatively easy operation. Magnesium is also produced from magnesium chloride by the electrolytic method, which offers the advantages of scale and lower environmental impact. Magnesium's unique properties make it an ideal choice for many applications. Ultra lightweight, low density, and cost competitive with other lightweight materials. Magnesium is particularly desirable in transport and manual handling, and an obvious choice for use in the aerospace industry. High-performance cars have long taken advantage of magnesium to improve performance and efficiency. And the world's most popular pickup truck, the Ford F-150, exemplifies the use of lightweight components that retain high strength. Magnesium is strong, lending this excellent compressive strength to vehicle structural performance in automotive and aerospace applications such as the door of a Boeing 737, providing safety without compromise. With a high creep resistance, magnesium is used in the most challenging applications, a material to be trusted when reliability is essential. These clear advantages that are making magnesium a first choice for an increasing number of uses and markets. Today, magnesium's unique properties make it an indispensable part of many industries, a resource vital for thousands of applications and improvements. From aluminium alloying and the desulfurization and production of high-quality steel, to the die-casting precision of components for a wide range of manufacturing. Magnesium is versatile. It's a metal that can be shaped into almost any form, using a variety of techniques. It's easily machined and can be extruded, forged, sandcast, die-cast, and rolled into shape. And magnesium powders are used in the synthesis of agrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, and biochemicals. Alloy developments present new opportunities to provide solutions for new markets. Non-hazardous and non-toxic, magnesium is at the forefront of cutting-edge bioresorbable medical applications. Magnesium's qualities make it ideally suited to the emerging electric car market, improving efficiency and extending vehicle range. And new magnesium alloys are being developed for hydrogen storage. Magnesium has a lower carbon footprint than aluminium. Material, production and fuel costs all leading to reduced emissions and energy use throughout its life cycle. Magnesium is completely recyclable, using only 5% of the original energy to sustainably reshape the metal for future applications. With magnesium now essential to business and industry, it's hard to imagine a world without it. Strong, light, versatile, creep-resistant, and sustainable. Magnesium. If you want to be a part of the global voice of magnesium, join the IMA and be an active part of the industry.